It was the night a dream became reality and a nation was born. From struggle and sacrifice to jubilation and hope, this is Pakistan's defining moment. Step back in time to witness the birth of a homeland against all odds. Welcome to Historical Stories, where history comes alive. 14th of August, 1947, the day Pakistan was born. The 14th of August, 1947, marked the dawn of a new nation, Pakistan. It was the culmination of decades of political struggle, sacrifice, and vision, led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah and the All India Muslim League. Born out of the Partition of British India, Pakistan emerged as a homeland for Muslims of the subcontinent, fulfilling the demand articulated in the Lahore Resolution of 1940. The road to independence was long and turbulent. The demand for a separate Muslim state intensified in the 1940s as communal tensions grew and negotiations with the Indian National Congress failed to produce safeguards acceptable to the Muslim minority. The end of World War II accelerated Britain's decision to leave India, and by early 1947, the British government announced its intent to transfer power no later than June 1948. However, escalating unrest forced an earlier timeline. Lord Louis Mountbatten, the last Viceroy of India, proposed a partition plan in June 1947, accepted by both the Congress and the Muslim League. According to the plan, British India would be divided into two independent dominions, India and Pakistan, with Pakistan comprising Muslim-majority regions in the northwest and northeast. The division would be accompanied by the partition of provinces like Punjab and Bengal, as well as the creation of new boundaries by the Radcliffe Commission. At midnight on the 14th of August 1947, Pakistan officially came into being. The Constituent Assembly in Karachi held its first session, where Jinnah, now Governor-General, delivered his historic speech calling for unity, tolerance, and hard work. The new green and white flag of Pakistan was hoisted for the first time, symbolizing peace and the guiding principles of Islam. However, independence came at a tremendous human cost. The hurried partition triggered one of the largest migrations in history, with an estimated 14 million people crossing borders to join either India or Pakistan. Communal violence erupted on an unprecedented scale, claiming hundreds of thousands of lives. Trains carrying refugees became grim symbols of the bloodshed, and cities along the new border descended into chaos. Despite the tragedy, the spirit of nationhood was strong. In Karachi, Lahore, and Dhaka, streets were filled with celebrations, processions, and the sound of Pakistan Zindabad. The newly formed government faced immense challenges, setting up administrative systems, establishing defense forces, and accommodating millions of refugees. But the moment carried a sense of collective pride and purpose. 14th August 1947 was more than just a date. It was the realization of a dream nurtured by generations. Pakistan was not merely carved out on the map, it was forged in the hopes, sacrifices, and determination of its people. The day remains etched in history as a reminder of both the price of freedom and the responsibility of preserving it for generations to come. Conclusion: 14th August 1947 was not just the birth of a new state, but the awakening of a nation's soul. Born from sacrifice and united by purpose, Pakistan stood as a testament to the dreams of millions. The challenges were immense, yet the spirit of independence burned brighter. It remains a day of pride, reflection, and renewed commitment to the nation's ideals. From the ashes of division rose a nation bound by hope and determination. The birth of Pakistan was just the beginning of its remarkable journey. Like, share, and subscribe to keep the spirit of history alive. You're watching Historical Stories, where the past inspires the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.